Am I allowed to spit this out?
No.
Really?
Like
Like
poison?
Oh.
no.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren and Asian Girl Squad. We are back for another video. Last time we were in this exact same position.
We all look so different.
Yeah, well, I feel like I kind of look the same.
You do. Out of everything. You look exactly the same.
So, as you guys know, I'm Canadian and the rest of Asian Girl Squad is American. And today, I have brought back some delicacies from the homeland for these bitches to try.
But no Timbits.
But I got the next best thing. Okay.
We'll see about that.
I think that should be the finale.
Okay.
Okay. What do you want to start with? Do you want to start with chips, candies, cookies? You want the cookies?
They want the cookies.
You want the cookies? Okay. So our first delicacy, and I actually bought these at the airport on the way back. So the last one. Maple cream cookies. These are, I don't want to say a classic, but I feel like every Canadian home at some point has had a Canadian cookie in it.
What is the significance of maple?
I think we, oh my god, me being a horrible Canadian, not actually knowing.
Remember when you thought money smelled like maple syrup?
Okay, that was a rumor that I heard from someone else in Canada.
Did you believe it?
Yes! It was if you scratch the bill on the maple leaf, it would smell like maple leaf.
Honestly, that sounds like something Canada would do.
Right?
Yeah.
All right, cheers.
Oh, did we cheers? Yeah, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. This smells like maple, bitch. I will take everything personally if you don't like it.
Oh. Okay.
No, these are good.
This kind of tastes like animal crackers.
A little bit of like frosting.
I think it like all the flavoring is in the frosting for sure.
I feel like it smells like maple, but then when I bite in, it doesn't taste like anything.
Have I been living a lie the whole time? Because I feel like you're kind of right now that I'm hearing
The
that.
frosting tastes like nothing to me.
It's more aromatic.
It is aromatic. An aromatic experience.
Yeah.
Ratings across the board, ladies.
10 out of 10.
I say 8.5 out of 10.
Okay.
I give it a 4.
Damn, bitch!
Remy has a very refined palate, so like
I just don't really like maple that much, personally.
Okay. On behalf of the Canadians, we're offended, but it's fine.
I'll finish yours.
Next, we have my all-time favorite chocolate bar, and I know this is controversial, and so I'm already prepared for you all to hate it. It's called the Crunchy, and it's got sponge topping in the middle.
I don't love milk chocolate. I love dark chocolate, so I'm a couple points taken off.
Bitch, we
already.
got 3 chocolate bars, all with milk.
No.
This is your favorite of all time?
My favorite of all time. It induces cavities, and I'm aware of that.
I could see that.
Wait, cheers.
Oh, bitch.
That was good. It's unique.
I see why you say it causes cavities.
It really
It's definitely
sticks.
stuck.
This is really good.
Oh my god, I'm so happy.
It's fun to eat. It's still in my teeth.
Yeah, it'll be there tomorrow too.
Yeah.
I'd say 6.5.
10 out of 10.
I give it a 9 because the remnants were kind of hard to swallow.
Okay, this next one. My mom, this is a Gale gift.
Oh, I don't know about this
from a
one.
care package.
Is that jelly?
These are my favorite candies. The fruit jelly is covered in chocolate. Is that what it is?
So it's called
is it
Turkish
raspberry?
Delight?
Oh, from the line.
I love it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I love it. Oh, I don't love it.
I like it.
Can I spray it?
Am I just easy to please?
10 out of 10.
In the fruit jelly, it's more like jelly. This is like a Twizzler. Do you know what I mean? Yeah.
Am I allowed to spit this out?
No, you nasty ass.
It has like the texture of Swedish fish.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
That's what it is.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I give it a 2.
2.
Same. 2.
10 out of 10.
Like a 8.
Hey, really? Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna go 4.5. Okay, next up, Greg's favorite, the Mr. Big.
Ooh.
It kind of looks like a turd.
It's like a peanut and a Snickers had a baby.
Oh, yeah.
I love it.
I feel nice.
This is called the Big Daddy.
No, a Mr. Big, you Big Daddy chocolate bar on the
Big Daddy.
sea.
7.5.
I say 8.975.
Wow.
10.
This one is just like, it's gonna start a war in the comments. In Canada, these are Smarties. It's chocolate, and all these American hoes are like, oh,
That
it's
is not a
the
Smartie.
powdery
Chalky little
yeah, chalky
discs.
little discs. So those are called rockets in Canada.
How do we cheers this?
Cheers, cheers.
This is an M&M.
You uncultured.
Oh, wait.
This is not as good as an M&M.
Yeah, the flavor's weird.
These are so much better than M&Ms.
No.
I will die on that.
You know
hill.
why you think it's better than M&M's? It tastes exactly like those eggs that we like.
Oh, the Cadbury
Mini
eggs.
eggs.
I say 1 out of 10.
Oh my
These are
god.
bad.
hater.
I do not like these.
Bad.
Yeah, they were like bad versions of M&M's.
Just kind of
So
fake.
good. That was so good. This is
So
called
savory
Canadian
stuff.
Bear Doo-Doo. Canadian towns of like any kind of tourism love to just like put normal candies and things and like brand them as something
that's
like
adorable.
I know it's really very kitschy. It's cute. That is
Cheers.
hard. Cheers.
Wait,
Wait,
what?
what's in there? What is that?
It's a gumdrop.
It's very random Halloween candy.
It tastes like herbs.
I feel like Tiff, your palate's a little broken.
No, try mine. I swear it tastes like herbs.
Oh my god, it is minty.
I told you.
It's black licorice.
That's what it is.
That's like getting the bad Harry Potter jelly bean, I feel like, right there. Okay, from the same like kitschy Canadian tourism store,
Kisses.
Maple Kisses from the Sugar Shack. I think this is just maple toffee.
Oh, these are hard.
I like it.
I rate this an 8.5.
Ooh.
I'm gonna give it like a 6.
Whoa, not
It's just not my thing.
I was gonna say like 5.5.
Okay. Next we have a Canadian classic,
Oh,
the
those are
Swedish
good.
Berries. These are hot fire.
It's like a Swedish fish, but berries.
better. Oh, these are so good.
Those are
I really
good.
like
It's
this.
like
The best
Poison?
kind of poison.
It's like maybe like a lipstick or something.
Oh my god.
Yeah, right?
But I like it.
Like not in a bad way, but like
A 9.
Wow.
I'm gonna give it like a 6 as well.
I love
As an 8.5.
gummy candy.
I know, this is yours. This is right up your alley.
Yeah, she's a connoisseur.
Yeah.
I am, and I'm gonna say
critic.
these are a 4.
Oh no, the gummy queen has spoken. Okay, ladies, we're moving into chips territory.
Oh, shit.
Scoot your plate forward. These are my favorites. Crispers. Didn't realize they weren't in America, and
Yeah, I've never
America,
seen those.
you are missing out.
Just one.
Oh my god, they're so good.
This tastes like miso soup.
It tastes like the seaweed.
Yeah.
Now that you say that,
Right?
it tastes like Asian, something Asian.
Yeah, I think it just tastes like my childhood in like summer camp, so I can't get there mentally.
Yeah, this is a 9. These are good.
I give them a 9.5.
Wow.
I'm giving it like an 8.
These are actually in some states. I've gotten some feedback from viewers that say that they're not exclusively in Canada, which is amazing because I love that that's a thing for Americans. All dressed.
I've always wanted to try all dressed. I don't know what it is, but it sounds
Okay,
good.
it's like a tangy barbecue.
Ooh.
Oh, do you want one again?
Ooh, that's delicious.
They're like salt and vinegar.
It tastes like salt and vinegar and barbecue together.
Yes.
Yes, these are 10 out of 10.
10?
Definitely do this again.
I would get that at every gas station stop. That is
Yes,
so
those are
good.
Gas station stop approved.
Are we almost done? I'm getting really full.
One more chip.
Okay.
And then the finale.
Okay.
The world-renowned ketchup chips.
Oh, hell yeah.
Have you ever tried them?
No.
Cheers.
Oh my god, I'm scared that you're not gonna like. It's a very interesting flavor.
Oh, you know.
It really smells like ketchup.
How you doing over there, Ram? You good?
I don't like it. It's like spot on ketchup flavor.
You think?
It's spot on.
Yeah.
I just don't like it.
You go inside a McDonald's and it just smells like ketchup.
You know when you just lick the floor of the
Like
plate
that,
thing?
It's like embodied in a bag and a chip. Here we go. The finale. Birthday cake Timbits cereal. I wasn't able, obviously, to bring back an actual box of birthday cake Timbits. So this is the best I could do.
What's your favorite flavor of Timbits?
Birthday cake, bitch, obviously.
Obviously.
I feel like corn pops, kind of.
You can give me like 12.
Okay, lactose-free milk because Asian.
It smells good.
Oh, it smells like the inside of like a ice cream shop.
Oh, this tastes like a birthday cake Timbit. Like this is very accurate.
This is the best thing by far.
It tastes like
Real vanilla.
I can almost guarantee you it's all fake. Okay, last finale ratings.
10.
100.
These are really good.
10.
Oh my god, thank god. Literally, I was like, if you don't give this shit a 10 by the end of the video,
Wow.
This shit's an 11.
This is
I think
really,
this is the
really
only
good.
one we all agreed on.
Yeah, you're so right.
Yeah.
Okay, so we will all be going to the dentist
Yeah.
next week. I need everyone to see Tiffany's plate right now. This buffet of things.
In my defense, I eat very slow, and I feel like I couldn't enjoy anything because you guys were eating so fast. So
Sorry.
Give me like the review, the Canadian review.
Amazing.
I feel like they taste more natural.
I will say that Canada approves less chemicals than America does.
Yeah, it's like less artificially.
Good for them.
I love some chemicals here.
The savory stuff, really good.
Yeah,
I think we do candy a little better. We have more chemicals, so.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to Tiff and Rem and to Mia's OnlyFans.
Oh my God.
Link down below.
Show them a boob.
Alright guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye.